Hi everyone, my name is Abel Kantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually insert a GAT on your steel member, okay? So if you have two columns, you can actually insert your GAT, okay? So in order for me to do that, all I need to do is to click on this drop down here, and I'll click on GAT, and then I'll click on this, and I'll also click on this. Sorry, I take that again. So it's loading. Aha. So here you can see here the profile. You can click this is the geometry you have. I can click on this drop down to actually select based on British standard, or I can click on this drop down as well to select whether Euro, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, Thailand. Okay, so whichever I'm going for, all I need to do is just to click. The American standard is also there. So let's say I'm going with this UPFC. You can make it double as well. You can also select this as well, but I'm going with this, and then I'll click on OK. Then you can see the section alignment is on section. You can make it under the section as well. Okay, I will demonstrate that to you right away. So if I click on OK, you discover that this is actually showing outside. I can make it under the section if I right click on this and I go back to the property, and if I click on this drop down, I click on under section and I click on OK. You can see the GAT is actually going back inside. Okay, so I will right click on it again and I will go to properties. This time around I will take it back to on the section. Okay, then you can as well play along with the spacing of this GAT from here to here. You can play along with the spacing. This is 1 meter spacing. You can either reduce it or increase it as the case may be. Okay, you can also offset the bottom member. You can see the offset here is actually 200. You can decide to increase, you can reduce. The sag rod can be actually removed. You can remove the sag rod. You can insert the sag rod as well. You can make it auto fit. You can make it manual. If you make it manual, that means you have to specify the diameter. You can see this is the diameter of that sag rod. You can as well the material. You can see this is standard. The standard is 275. You can change it to whatever standard you actually want to make use of. I like it to be, I can remove it and make it none, and then I'll click on OK. So similarly for this, you can see this one is already existing. I can, since it's showing inside, I can simply just click on it, right click, and I'll go back to my properties, and I'll make it under section, and I'll click on OK. So you can see it has been taken back to the outside here. Okay, so similarly I can also come here and turn off this sag rod if I actually want to. So if I click on this sag rod, I can remove the sag rod and I will click on OK. Okay, that is that. So the next thing here is to show you how to actually insert the side cladding. Okay, I've had a lot of people asking questions about cladding, all you need to do is just to click on cladding and click on this member, and it will come up. It's as simple as that. You can see it is showing us in group 1, group 2. So we have this cladding in 3 groups. Okay, so P1, P2, P3, P4, P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can as well play along with it, where I just, if I like, I can load. You can see load display mode. Okay, so when it comes to the loading as well, you play along with it, where I'll be showing you how to add the loadings. Okay, you can subject the building to whatever kind of load that is acting on it. Okay, so it can be subjected to it. Okay, so similarly, to add a cladding for this, if I select this cladding and then I click on this guts here and I click on OK, so it's the same way you do for this. When you want to add a cladding for this, you can similarly add a cladding for this as well. If you come here to this, once your cladding is highlighted, you select this. Okay, click OK. Similarly, and you click OK. Okay, so that is that. If you love what you are seeing, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. On the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually subject this to, or how to add loadings to your cladding. Okay, because this is actually going to act like a roof sheet, so there will be loading that will be acting on it. Okay, so similarly for this, probably there's a loading when it comes to your wind load and all of that, that is acting against this. So these are some of the things we are actually going to be considering in the next video. So make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed.